Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to unsend a message in line. If you are trying to unsend a message that you've sent by mistake or you want to correct the message, then the first thing to do is to launch open your Line application on your device and log into your account. Now go to the Chats tab at the bottom center and tap on it and open up a message thread. Now go ahead and select and locate the message you want to unsend from your chat inbox. Press and hold the message and in the pop-up click on Unsend. Click on the Unsend button in the pop-up, but remember, the message may not be deleted for the other party depending upon their version of Line. Now once you do that, you will see you unsent a message thread and that's it. Your message has now been removed. Your message now has been removed from the conversation. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.